Okay, just a quick update on the blade that I'm using. I'm using a 55 inch and a half, and I got this off of a guy of YouTube, recommended it. So I was getting like 3 logs to the older blades, and with this blade I'm on my 5th log. You can see, you know, there's quite a bit of overhang there, but it doesn't affect it. And it cuts like a bear. And it cuts nice and straight. So, like I said, this is my 5th log. This is tool up. I just burned through a couple of slabs of that, but the log before that was a spruce log with 1,000,000 knots in it. I mean, so many knots. It's incredible. And with the thinner blades, it would just be, as soon as I hit those knots, there would be a huge dip. Now these ones, this blade does have a little bit of a dip, but you need a straight edge to actually see it. And you know, this is awesome in my book. They're so straight with all those knots in it. I mean, so the thicker blade, the bigger blade, is getting me, like I said, I'm on my 5th log right now. This is a tulip that's been on the ground for a long time. It's hard as a rock. Generally tulips are like butter. I did, you know, I made my own blade guides. And this one here, actually, it really keeps the blade, you know, totally straight. So, I mean, that can be contributing to it. But I would only get, like I said, 2 to 3 logs, and I would have to switch it when I was using a blade like this. 1.25 inch, 0.45. So much beefier. And then I do use Dawn and Pine Sol in my water. That seems to work pretty good. But this year the mill is cutting like a beast. And these spruce boards are huge with 1,000,000 knots. But like I said, you got to put a straight edge there to see it. It's pretty straight, man. I have a spruce one I did last year with the 1.25 inch, and that one's got some pretty good spaghetti going on there with the knots. So, I mean, unless you're using like a brand new blade right off the get-go. But, so this works great. And I think these are Wood Miser Turbo 7s, I believe. So, it works. This thing is awesome. That's it, guys.